The tag command is a Linux utility that displays file contents in reverse order, starting with the last line and ending with the first line. Think of it as the cat command spelled backwards. The tag command displays file contents in reverse order, line by line. The basic syntax is tag followed by option followed by file. If no file is specified, or when file is represented by a hyphen, tag reads from standard input. For example, to create a sample file, you can use the echo command to write line 1, new line, line 2, new line, line 3 into a file named sample.txt. To display the file in normal order, you can use the cat command followed by the file name. This will output line 1, line 2, line 3. To display the same file in reverse order, use the tag command followed by the file name. This will output line 3, line 2, line 1. The tag command can process multiple files at once. When multiple files are specified, tag processes each file in sequence, displaying their contents in reverse order. Unlike cat, which concatenates files in the order specified, tag reverses each file individually but processes the files in the given order. For example, create two sample files using the echo command. The first file, file1.txt, contains file 1 line 1 new line, file 1 line 2. The second file, file2.txt, contains file 2 line 1 new line, file 2 line 2. To process multiple files with tag, type tag followed by the names of the files, file1.txt, file2.txt. This will output file 1 line 2, file 1 line 1, file 2 line 2, file 2 line 1. Each file is reversed individually. By default, tag uses new lines as separators between records. You can specify a custom separator using the option S or Separator. This is useful when working with files that have a different structure than line-by-line text. The syntax is tag S separator followed by the file name. For example, create a file with comma-separated values using the echo command and name it fruits.txt. The content of the file is apple, banana, cherry. To use comma as separator instead of new line, use the command tag fruits.txt. This will output cherry, banana, apple. Alternatively, to create a file with custom separator, use the echo command with content, first double colon second double colon third, and name the file custom.txt. To use double colon as separator, type tag s double colon custom.txt. This will result in third, second, first. The tag command offers additional options to control how separators are handled. The B option attaches the separator before instead of after. The R option interprets the separator as a regular expression. These options give you more flexibility when working with complex file formats, or when you need precise control over how records are separated. For example, to create a sample file with HTML-like tags, use the echo command with content, start, first end, start, second end, and name it tags.txt. To use B to attach separator before, type tag B as start, tags.txt. This will output second end, first end. To create a file with mixed separators, use the echo command with content 1, 2, 3, 4, and name it mix.txt. To use R for regex separator, comma or semicolon, type tackers, comma semicolon, mix.txt. This will output 4321. Here are some practical use cases for the tag command. First, viewing log files. You can display the most recent log entries first, similar to tail but with complete reversal of the file. Second, reversing data processing. You can process data in reverse order when needed for specific algorithms or data analysis tasks. Third, text manipulation. Combine with other commands like sed, awk, or grep for complex text processing tasks. For example, to view the most recent log entries first, type tag/var/log/syslog pipe headin 5. To reverse a CSV file by record, Type tac $\ndata.csv greater than reverse.csv. To find the last occurrence of a pattern, type tac log file.txt pipe grep m1 error. To reverse sort a file, type tac names.txt pipe sort greater than reverse_sorted.txt. For a palindrome check which is simplified, type echo radar pipe tacker th. This will output radar. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.